Hi, class. Well, we're starting week 4. We have 2 more weeks of class. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the momentum. Keep going. And before we talk about week 4, let me recap on week 3. In week 3, we talked about study skills. This week, you kind of did an academic self-study, right? So you learned about how your study skills were. What were your specific study habits, where you need to improve, and where you're really good at studying. And then, of course, I hope that you'll take these things that you learned about yourself and about your study habits and your time management skills and apply them to the rest of your courses. Speaking of time management skills, we also did an activity where you recorded your actual time. You actually made a chart of a schedule that you supposedly spent, and then you actually recorded time that you spent doing those activities, and you made a little discovery about how you spend your time. So with that said, then you know that when you're planning your time for your future courses or for the rest of this term, you'll need to make sure that you allow time and manage your time when it comes to studying better, right? Okay, so let's move into week 4, problem solving. This is more of into critical thinking and how to solve problems. You're going to run into a lot of issues where you need to solve problems in your courses coming up. So you're going to go over your lessons and do the 2 practice activities, and then watch a video on problem solving, and then of course participate in the discussion board. Remember that you need to respond to at least 2 other students in the discussion board. Remember also that you should post your initial post by Wednesday of this week. And then assignment 4, you're going to do an activity, find the best solution. And this is a fun activity. It's a short week. You also have an end-of-term survey in your class. Make sure that you give us your feedback on the course, because this helps us improve our curriculum. This helps us improve our teaching methods. So please remember to give us your feedback on the class. Remember also, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. You can call me, text me, email me, whatever you need, okay? Have a great week.